Alright, hello everyone. I'm going to be going over how to use Windows. More specifically in this video, I'm going to be going over how to use a certain desktop, or how to use a certain Windows feature. And this one's going to be how to use desktop shortcut, how to use it, how to make a new desktop shortcut. So I had two demonstrations right there. I'm going to quickly go over this. So basically what you want to do, you want to head into File Explorer. I think this is, in my opinion, the best way of doing it. You want to go, one way of doing it is going to the search bar and searching up File. Since the first thing will pop up when you search up File, I misspelled it, but it still came up. First thing would be File Explorer. When you go from there, any file, any app, any type of data, any type of folder will work when it comes to File Explorer. So what you want to do, pictures is, I want to make pictures accessible to me. I want to make it fast. So what you want to do, you want to select that folder, document, whatever it be. You want to select it, you want to right click on that thing. So when you right click, it's going to say send to. In this case, you want to send it to the desktop because we want a shortcut. And there you go. The options will be the third option. Since it said desktop, create shortcut. So you click that and bam, it's right there. Just like that, easily you create a shortcut for a folder. And this can be done to documents as well as any type of other file extension, whatnot. So another way of doing this would be using the start menu. As a matter of fact, I did not know this, but you can use the start menu and you could click and drag it to the desktop and it'll automatically make that shortcut for you. But this could only work for apps since the start menu only has apps. So there you go. You just created another desktop shortcut, one with start menu and one with File Explorer. So I hope this helped. You could just, if you want to customize it, you could just delete it since it's not the actual file itself, it's not the folder, it's not the app, it's just the link towards that folder. So you can customize it any way you want. Right here I have a bunch, and you just create that method. You use that method in your head and you'll be fine. So hopefully this helped you. Hopefully I was able to explain it well. And yeah, thank you for listening. Thank you.